Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's Shopify tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add a button to your header navigation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, eye-catching button right in your Shopify store's navigation, perfect for drawing attention to something important, like your contact page, a sale, or a special offer. So let's dive in and get it done together. Alright, the first thing you want to do is head to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're already there, great. If not, just log in and get yourself to the main admin page. Once you're in, look for the Online Store section in the left-hand sidebar. This is the control center for all your site's design and customization features, so everything we do today will happen right here. Now, under Online Store, you'll want to find your theme. Usually it's at the very top. Next to your current theme, you'll see a little icon with 3 dots. It's easy to overlook, but that's where all the theme actions are tucked away. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. From the drop-down, select Edit Code. This is basically the backstage area of your Shopify store. Don't worry, we're only making a small styling change, so you won't need to mess with anything risky or complicated. Just follow along and you'll be fine. Once you're inside the code editor, you'll see a list of theme files on the left. We want to search for a file called base.css. This is your main CSS style sheet, and it controls the look and feel of a lot of elements on your site, including the navigation menu. If you don't see it right away, there's a handy search bar at the top. Just type base.css in there, and it should pop up quickly. Now, open up base.css and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. It's best to paste new code at the bottom, so it doesn't interfere with anything higher up, kind of like adding a new ingredient at the end of a recipe. I'll be including the code you need in the video description, so just copy it from there. Go ahead and paste it in at the bottom of base.css. Take a moment to make sure you didn't accidentally paste it in the middle of another section. Clean separation helps keep your theme organized and easy to tweak later on. Once your new CSS code is in place, hit the Save button at the top right. This part might take a few moments, especially if you've got other edits or your connection is a little slow. Just let it finish and don't worry if you see a brief loading spinner. That's totally normal. Now for the fun part. Head back to your online store and reload your store's main page. You should see that your contact link in the header navigation has transformed into an attractive button. If you don't see it right away, try clearing your cache or using a different browser tab. Sometimes changes like this take a minute to show up, depending on your theme's setup. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your Shopify header navigation pop with a custom button. This is a great way to guide your customers to take action or highlight something special. If you want to feature a different link instead, you can tweak your navigation settings or adjust the CSS code however you like. Just experiment and see what feels right for your brand. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if you run into any trouble, leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like the video if this made your Shopify journey easier, and subscribe for more simple, effective store building tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!